Good morning, everyone. How many of you remember about the criminal hideout I reported along Okmanam Road, close to Asaba, where the bandits dug the tunnel and they were entering the tunnel to hide their weapons, hide drugs, and also the tunnel accommodates almost 15 persons that I saw. And after that very day, police went and raided the tunnel. But I'm sorry to say that I'm disappointed the way police raided the tunnel. That is not how to raid a tunnel. Take a look at this video. You see, I will allow you to watch the full clip, but let me explain some things about what I saw, the way police raided the tunnel. I was expecting that, large number of police will come there and some will enter into the tunnel. These people will surrender. There is no how police will enter into the tunnel and they will begin to shoot or kill the policemen, because they know that before some police will enter inside that the tunnel has been surrounded. These people, they will just give up. And the tunnel was expecting that they should just call bricklayers. They will come and seal it out, seal the tunnel. If anybody is inside his own business, they should seal the tunnel. These are the things I was expecting. I was also expecting that if you want to get these people out, come with some, some flaming things with pepper, put it fire. They will run out and you will handcuff them and take them to prison. Policemen were there just from their shooting inside the tunnel that you don't know how deep it is. You don't know how many years these people used to dig that tunnel. I don't just understand. Take a look at this video.
Shoot again, shoot again. Shoot again. Shoot again, shoot for there. Shoot for there. That's something like that. Back here, back here. Hey! Ina boss ta ne wallahi ta yake boss ba za ka wannan yara Come. I need smoke. Who needs smoke? The fire. It's okay. Yes. Hello. Yeah, he said no. Maybe Bamba, you don't you never know you. The entire side. Why not?
Okay, now, first of all, I want to thank the police. At least they show interest after reporting such a thing. Now, they went there and they raided the place and so on and so forth. But that is not the only thing. What we were expecting them to do, they did not do it. And that is why we, the masses, are always complaining. Because let me give you an example of what I'm thinking. If we are protesting in Asaba or in Okmanam, and they receive an order from above to clamp down the protesters, to arrest us or to shoot us as they used to do. And we run and enter inside the tunnel. I promise you that police will enter the tunnel and fish us out. The people that are protesting, police will enter there and they are going to fish us out. They will do everything necessary to arrest people inside. But these are criminal elements who have been terrorizing Asaba and around the environment. And the only thing police could do is to come to raid in that way. Is it man of war raiding? Are you just romancing the terrorists? Is that how to do that? I understand how policemen are going after people who are protesting. Some persons, they went as far as to the church to go and raid them, to go and arrest them. Some persons, they track their phone anywhere they are. But I've never seen where police or DSS are tracking the phone of the bandits, tracking the phones they are using to make calls for kidnapping. What kind of things is this? You see, we will not stop talking. But one thing I'm telling the masses is that it is time for us to resort to self-help. Because just imagine if the citizens, if police are ready, you see that tunnel, all those water they used to chase or, disperse protesters, all those police water tank, they used to resist protest. Why can't they come with that full tank of water and pump water into the tunnel and see if these people will not be neutralized and come out? They will run out. No matter how deep the tunnel is, water can enter anywhere. So you pump water inside. We have not seen readiness. We have not seen police showing readiness that they are going to, stop terrorism. Or maybe they are just trying to show off, to tell people that, we are fighting terrorists. But that is not how to do that. Go to the villages. People are dying. People are being kidnapped. People don't know what to do any longer. No money for ransom. Money is not in the circulation. Poverty increasing. People don't even have money to eat. Look at where this thing is going. The government will not expect where they are pushing citizens to. The government will not expect when the citizens will rise. I know that Nigerians, we are so sluggish. We don't react so early. But I'm telling you, if this suffering persists like this, insecurity persists like this, those Nigerians who find it difficult to rise, one day they will arise. If you talk about protest, people will not do. If you talk, Nigerians are just like people who are suffering and smiling according to Fela Kuti. Nigerians don't complain. Maybe because they were born and brought up in poverty, they were born and brought up in suffering, so they have been cycle conditioned that is the way of life, of which it is not. It is so pathetic, and we cannot continue like this. So I'm using this opportunity to tell the Commissioner of Police in Asaba, that place, you people will go and raid the place. If you want to raid a tunnel, that is not how to do that. That is not how to do that. We are watching. That is not how to do that. If we are protesting and we enter there, we know how you people are going to raid the tunnel. That is not how to do that, police. If either you bring water, you bring pepper, you put fire. The mission is for you to get rid of the terrorists there, and that is not how to do that. You people should put something that will make them to come out. And you have it. You have it. So we do not understand the kind of raiding you people, the kind of mission you went there to do. As far as I'm concerned, that mission must be repeated. Yes, it must be repeated. Let the world see that these people we saw them when they were entering there, and you people must have seen them that they entered there again, and you people went there and raided the place. And the gun you shoot, nobody came out. And for you to understand that the tunnel is a very deep house inside. It's a very deep house inside. So we're expecting you people to go back and raid there again. We're expecting you people to go back. If you need help, let people know. Let indigenous people know. If policemen are there, bring about 30 policemen there. Call the indigenous help. Call me. I will tell you what to do. We'll make sure that those people will come out. Bring your men and tell the indigenous people. They will help you. That is not how to raid, a criminal hideout.